Welcome to Vitality Corporate Fitness. Let's start out by addressing the problem in the corporate wellness and corporate fitness space, and that is participation. 90% of employees say that they lack self-motivation to work out, myself included. And what this really means is that typical wellness and fitness programs that are provided to employees, like gym memberships and step tracking competitions and wellness portals online, these are all resources that are typically utilized by only the 10% who consider themselves to be self-motivated to eat right and work out. The other 90% of their employees are still being underserved. At Vitality, we are fundamentally different because we approach this problem by actually working one-on-one with every single one of your employees and pairing them up with a certified fitness coach. The fitness coach is dedicated to that individual. They will individualize the programming. So once they understand what their goals are and what they're actually looking to achieve, they can build a program that's really tailored to that person. They also provide ongoing one-on-one communication throughout every single week moving forward. This is so critically important because the coach, now that they understand the unique goals of that individual, needs that accountability and that motivation on an ongoing basis. Additionally, all of the workouts that our coach puts together are designed to be done anywhere at any time. This means that they don't need to have fancy equipment or access to a gym or anything of that nature. Workouts can be done indoors, outdoors, at the office, or at home. So our solution engages employees and delivers the results for everyone. We're focusing on 100%, not just the 10% of typically motivated individuals. Every employee will receive access to a 30-day fitness challenge program where everyone can participate in the same program and spend 30 days kind of restarting themselves and getting back into the swing and the habits of working out and movement. They'll all receive access to the Vitality app, and this works on Android and iPhones, of course. They get fun, personalized workouts. They also get the support from their coach, and everything is seamlessly managed in the Vitality app. Coaching occurs via text message, which is so important because texting is so personal and the relationship between the coach and the individuals is so personal. We do all of our one-to-one communication via text message. The workout portal can be downloaded to any smartphone, or it's even web-based, which gives them the ability to log in from any computer. Our integrations include Apple Watch and also Fitbit. So for tracking steps and tracking calories and things of that nature, these integrations are really powerful. But we also have an integrations with Withings Healthmate. This allows employees to connect their wearables devices and sync their body measurements and basically all of their biometrics to the Vitality app. And this is really important for historical tracking. One of the other things we focus on is creating healthy habits for all of your employees. Now, these are like little tokens. These are not full-scale programs that we put the employees on. These are more of like good suggestions and little nudges in the right direction. Everything from practicing good sleep routines to eating to 80% full. These are things that they can track within the app. They can mark them off when they're completed, and we get to celebrate in their success. Our formula is simple, quite literally. We follow the KISS design principle that states that simplicity guarantees the greatest level of user acceptance and interaction. And this is so important because, again, we're not focused on just the 10% of people who are self-motivated, but everybody. So we have to remove all of the barriers, all of the objections. We can't allow anybody to have any excuse for not getting up and moving and breathing and increasing serotonin to their brain. So effort plus consistency over time equals success. That's our philosophy. We're not as worried about individuals breaking out in a sweat and feeling sore. That's not the goal, although it might be for some people if that's what they want. Ultimately, it's more about consistency over time. And that's where the coaching component really comes in. Our programs boasts some of the highest adoption rates in the wellness industry. And we have tremendous sustainability, which means we have very few people fall off the program after they get started. Currently, our adoption rate is over 50%. That means 50% of your employees in your company participating actively in the program with their coach, which is a phenomenal number. We kick everything off with our 30-day fitness challenge, and this normally starts on the first of the month and runs for 30 days. This program is great for everyone at all stages, no matter where they're at in their fitness level. This allows them to be able to participate alongside other employees and have the camaraderie. But also what it does is it allows our coach and our technology time to learn the individual needs and goals of each employee in the organization. At the end of 30 days, that's when we roll out seamlessly their individualized workout plan, and then they start their one-on-one communication with the coach. Goals need to be individualized. It's not about just providing workout programs. It's about helping someone achieve a goal that they've set for themselves. And this oftentimes goes beyond fitness. Whether it's strength training, weight loss, performance, or general health, we also provide work-life balance content and nutrition. These things have nothing to do with working out, but they drastically affect the quality of life for the individuals. We also have access to a variety of self-help resources. So if anybody is self-motivated enough to go in and learn more about maybe creating better sleep habits or quitting smoking or a whole variety of other different programs, they can access those in our wellness portal as well. Data is key. We want to make sure that you know the program is working. So the first point of data that we provide to you at a corporate level is the engagement score. This helps verify that not just are we doing our job to communicate with all of your employees, but it measures how many of them are engaging back and participating with their coach. The vitality score is more of like our score on you as a company. The coach in their very first week in working with each employee will ask them 4 simple questions. How would you rate yourself on energy, focus, sleep, and stress on a scale of 1 to 5? That's it. Once we get all the scores in, we combine that into a single score, and we provide that to you for your vitality score. This is corporate-wide. Every quarter, we repeat that process and update your vitality score. Now, you might see that stress or focus either diminishes or goes up or goes down. This is critical because the purpose of the vitality score is to give you a finger on the pulse of what's happening across your organization. And if stress goes up or focus goes down, we want to be able to inform you of that and ultimately help address that in the organization. Setup and implementation is, again, we really try to be easy on the HR team. The goal here is simplicity. We do 90% of the work. All we need the HR team to help us with is the communication to the employees. So what we provide is email templates, printable posters for in-house if necessary, employee registration portal that looks like this one. This is where you'll have a video overview from the coach talking about the program and what to expect, the instructions on how to get started and how to sign up with each employee. And this, of course, is co-branded with your logo. We also provide the vitality assessment and then, of course, a orientation webinar. This webinar typically lasts about 20 minutes, and it's just a great opportunity for all the employees to meet their coach, ask questions, learn expectations of the program, and ultimately know exactly what they're going to do next. We'll provide a recording of the webinar to use to provide to the employees who aren't able to make it live, of course. Our pricing is also very simple. The setup and the 30-day group challenge are all combined into one. This is a one-time $500 fee. Then we charge an individual per employee fee of between $10 and $29. And this is determined based on the total number of active employees in your organization. So if you have greater than 100 employees, your rate would be $10. If you have less than 100, it could go as high as $29 based on the total number. And that's it. That's the entire presentation of the Vitality Corporate program. If you're interested in moving forward with us, you can submit your information to us or reach out to your contact. We'll put together a custom proposal contract and start talking about launch dates. Thank you so much for your time.